If you don't have any car roof rails or crossbars and you want to have a cargo carrier on top of your car, look no further. I have a solution for you. Stay tuned for this episode. Welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, please consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. Today's product that I'll be going over is this Kicks cargo carrier. Now this is for your car whenever you're going on the travel and you don't have any crossbar or roof rails in your car. It already comes with all the necessary tools that you need. First thing I need to do is clean off the top of my car because it's been raining here in Washington and you got to have a very clean surface if you want to make this install properly. Now all you have to do is open up all your doors, and all you got to do is pull back a little bit on that weather stripping inside of your door, and you just hook it up on that side, the side frame of your car, and that should be it. That's as simple as that. Now you have this anti-slip foam padding that comes with the kit as well. All this expands with the same dimensions of the cargo carrier, and just place it on top so that this cargo carrier doesn't move around during transport or while you're driving. Now what you're gonna have to do is just pretty much unzip the bag, and thank goodness for my son. He's a great helper, always helping me out in all these projects. And then just place it over your roof. Simple as that. Just be very careful, don't scratch your car. Now I'm going to be placing two luggages on here. It's about 35-inch high and 20-inch across and about 13-inch width. Now I'm going to be placing two of them on top of here. It should fit perfectly well. Notice how they're the exact same measurement. Right when you put it nice and safely on top, it should fit perfectly. Also friends, if you want to know where I got this cargo carrier, check out the description down below. I'll leave a quick link. You see the measurement up to 40 total, and then if you measure across, it goes up to 29. The height is around 13, but that's not included the top area of the cargo carrier. Now make sure you lift up this flapping. Now this whole system right here, it is weatherproof and it is nicely sealed after you zip it up. Now it does come with Velcro all the way around, so once you do this, it's not going to flap up while you're driving because of the wind. And then if your little clips are not in place, just take out those hooks and pretty much reassign them to wherever it aligns up to the cargo carrier. And then with all these nice easy strapping, just tighten it down. Now this comes with extra strapping on top here, so if you do have a roof rail or a roof crossbar, you can attach it to that. Okay, now you see that I don't have one, but if you do, that's what the straps are for. But if you, what I really don't like about this one though is it has all these extra strapping. You can use zip ties to tie that up, or you can just knot it and tie it up to a different area. Now this is if you have extra of those grippies, you can just cut those up, but I just like to leave it the way it is. Now that's pretty much what it looks like, friends. Easy, nice install, a good alternative, and it comes with a lock. So if you don't have any roof rails or a crossbar, there should be no problem. It's easy. After you transport it, it is collapsible. You can just right when you get to your destination, you can easily just take it out, no problem. Easy as that. If you found this video helpful, please press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll leave this product also in the description down below if you're interested. So thank you so much, friends. I'll see you in the next one.